Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. Plumeria. Plumeria, sometimes called frangipani. This plumeria was just cut a couple of hours ago, so it's a little bit wilty, but I can tell you if you take this flower and you put it into some water, they'll come back. The plant will come back, and it's one of the easiest plants I know to propagate. You simply break any piece off, stick it into any type of soil, and it'll start to grow. Now, I would tell you if you take a cutting off of plumeria, let it dry out a couple of days, let it a couple of weeks. Sometimes I put them on my workbench, and I forgot about them for about 2 months. What happened? Nothing, except it started to pop out new green leaves and got ready to put out roots. So it's one of those plants that you can't hardly kill if you try. It's an excellent plant to give to your friend or neighbor. It's also one of those plants that you can see that beautiful bloom we have here is what they use in the Hawaiian lei. And why? Well, it's fragrant, it's attractive, and it lasts for a number of days. Plumeria is an excellent plant for your yard and garden. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.